Please. No more tomatoes, please. I beg you. For the love of God. I can't eat more tomatoes. Hey, y'all remember the Swamp Devil knife I've started a long time ago? Yeah, I know my hands are dirty. Because I've been working on this. Well, I got it finished. Well, not finished. I still have to put some True Oil on the handle. And I need to make a sheath. And then I need to put an edge on it after that sheath is done. But this is my prototype. I was going to blue the blade, but I'm not. I may blue the blades on future. Those aren't scratches there. Those are tape marks. I had this taped off. I may blue the blade on future Swamp Devils, but I'm not going to do it on this because I've gone through all the trouble of polishing this. And I don't want to experiment on this. What I really want to do is experiment with gun bluing on a bare piece of metal that I haven't polished. Because, and I know this handle is, you see how this thing is, the angles follow each other. I did this on purpose. I just wanted to try something different outside the box of normal looking knives. And that's why I haven't, most of my handles I shape them really, really rounded and comfortable for the hand. And I left this somewhat boxy because I just like the angular look of the blade. So I have red pins, and this is a Padock with maple liners. And now I'm going to go in and start putting my True Oil on it. And when I get the True Oil done, then I'm going to make a sheath. Scusi. And then it's going to be a black sheath with red thread. And then I'm going to give this away for my 50,000 subscriber appreciation wing dang doodle. I just thought I'd give you a peek at it. It's not finished. I still got some. The very last thing I do is buff it out one more time. Once I get the handle done, what I do is tape the front edge of the handle off, and then put it on my buffer one more time to get rid of the fingerprints and the tape marks and whatever other scratches I've put on there just from moving it around and handling it. So there you have it. That's Swamp Devil, and 50,000 subscribers. I will be giving this away with a sheath.